Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMZN, Amazon. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a nice recovery here on Amazon. Things were certainly looking very, very shaky going into the weekend. I mean, and I talked about this in my last video, but I mean, it was flirting with a very, very logistical breakdown point here, but just like that, gapped up, and it wasn't one of these gap and traps where the price gaps up and then the price just rolls back over. Nope, just kept on grinding the rest of the day. So when you factor in the context of Friday and just how shaky things were looking, I mean, that makes today's price movement just that much better. I mean, it was already good price movement, but factoring in that additional context, very, very impressive. And, still work to be done, but overall, a good, strong day. And now the level of support that, preferably speaking, you want to see hold strong going forward. You're going to be right there at 31.60. And this is just because, this is where the bears tried several times today and failed to push the price lower. So right there, failed to push it lower, price bounce. Again, failed to press it lower, and then the bounce really just ripped their face off and bounced in the upwards direction. So again, 31.60, is that like some sort of do or die must hold level of support? Absolutely not. But, preferably speaking, what would make the chart look the best would certainly be if the price can stay above 31.60. And then, yeah, you still have that area down around 31.25, but I'm not going to put an annotation up around that level just because as of now, the price isn't anywhere even close to that level. But those would be the main levels of support. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, and the area that, is certainly within striking distance after today's price. But I mean, there's still work that needs to be done. But the level that I'm very curious about now is up there at 32.15. Can the price get up there and push up through it? A quick trip down memory lane can see that, generally speaking, whenever the price has been right up around this general area, it's almost like somebody just flips the switch and the momentum disappears. So that'll definitely be the main area of resistance to watch going forward. But overall, very nice way to start off the new week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.